My name is Nyumirwa and I'm the head prefect of Kyanja Junior School. I am indeed honored to be given this opportunity to represent the pupils of Kyanja Junior School. I would like to start by extending a warm welcome to everyone here today, especially our chief guests and dear parents and guardians who have managed to come and be part of this event today. We are delighted to have you with us. Secondly, I would like to thank our beloved directors and teachers for having given us the opportunity as pupils to show our talents on this day. We are really very grateful. On behalf of my fellow pupils and my own behalf, allow me to thank all our dear parents and guardians for paying our school fees and also providing us with enough scholastic materials. Chief guest in hall today, I would like to end my speech with another warm welcome and thank all of you for being part of this memorable occasion. May the Almighty grant you the journey mercies as you are going back home.